Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best plant stand is probably one of the most underrated gardening tools out there. These stands not only elevate your beloved plants, adding a touch of elegance to your space, but also provide the convenience of easy movement. Whether you're rearranging your patio, chasing the sun, or simply cleaning, the ability to effortlessly relocate your plants is a game changer. Number 5. Bosmere 14 Plant Caddy, Heavy-Duty Rolling Plant Stand. Tired of struggling with heavy plants? This caddy from Bosmere makes it easy. It allows you to move your plants around with ease. No matter the shape or size, this caddy can handle it. With a weight limit of 500 pounds, it can support even your largest plants. Featuring high-quality nylon and steel wheels, this caddy offers smooth rolling. It also includes a locking caster to keep it securely in place. Made with heavy-duty, UV-resistant plastic, this caddy is built to withstand the elements. It's rust-proof and corrosion-resistant, ensuring it lasts for years. Bosmere is a family-owned business with over 30 years of experience. They believe everyone can enjoy gardening with finely crafted tools and products, and this caddy is a testament to that. What we like? This plant caddy makes moving heavy plants a breeze. Its durable wheels ensure smooth rolling, and it can handle up to 500 pounds. If you have a patio or deck with large, heavy plants that need to be moved for sunlight or cleaning, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Good quality, and quite sturdy. The wheels under my heavy pots rolled smoothly. The construction is sturdy with a large pot on top, the wheels move smoothly, and it comes in a bunch of colors to match different pottery. Perfect for moving my large bonsai pots. Number 4. WEIBIDA Plant Caddy with Wheels. This plant caddy is easily adjustable from 15 to 21 inches, accommodating various pot sizes. It's designed for convenience, eliminating the need for screws and making it suitable for most flower pots. Made with high-quality ABS panel, stainless steel pipe, and dual-locking twin wheels, this cart ensures smooth and effortless movement. The non-skid pattern enhances stability, keeping your plants secure. With a remarkable 440-pound load capacity, this caddy can handle even the heaviest planters and garden pots. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, making it the ultimate tool for moving your plants. Assembly is incredibly simple, requiring only 4 steps and taking about 10 minutes. The package includes a free screwdriver, and the instructions are easy to follow. From WEIBIDA, a brand with over 20 years of experience in crafting quality gardening products. They offer high standards and a dedicated support team to assist you. What like? This plant caddy offers an adjustable size to fit various pots. It boasts a heavy-duty capacity, capable of holding up to 440 pounds. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-assemble solution for moving your plants, this one is ideal. What people say? These rolling potted plant stands are so sturdy and well made. Not only are they adjustable in width, the rollers did not collapse, are super easy to roll the heavy pots out of excessive heat or wind chill to protect trees and hydrangeas in them. Size is expandable and really carries weight without trouble. Number 3. AMAGABELI 14 Rolling Plant Stand 2-Pack. This plant caddy is designed for heavy-duty use. It's made of durable, powder-coated iron, ensuring it can handle heavy planters and resist the elements. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The stand's finish won't fade over time, thanks to its rust-proof and weather-resistant materials. This rolling stand is strong enough to hold up to 440 pounds, making it ideal for large plants or containers. No assembly is required, it comes ready to use with smooth rolling casters that won't scratch your floors. The wheels lock in place to prevent unwanted movement, and the design allows for good drainage and ventilation. With its aesthetic design, it adds a stylish touch to any space. The 360 degrees lockable wheels make it easy to move the stand on various surfaces, including hardwood floors and uneven ground. It complements any home design. This plant caddy is perfect for moving garden pots, large plants, and more. You can use it indoors or outdoors, even on carpets, soil, or lawns. If you have any questions, customer service is available to help. What we like? This plant caddy is made of rust-proof material, perfect for outdoor use. It features lockable wheels for stability, and requires no assembly. If you like a hassle-free, stylish, and durable option for your plants, you should consider this one. What people say. The plant stand is very sturdy and well-made. The wheels roll very smoothly. It is easy to assemble. Number 2. Idzo Acacia Wood Plant Caddy, 2-pack. Tired of struggling to move your plants? This plant caddy makes it easy to catch the sunlight or rain. It allows you to optimize the growth of your plants effortlessly. With durable 360-degree rotating wheels, it glides smoothly on any surface. The locking mechanism ensures your plants stay securely in place. Relocating heavy planters is now a breeze. This rolling plant stand lets you move large potted trees without strain, simplifying your chores. This set of 2 plant caddies adds style and utility to your space. It enhances your garden's elegance, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Crafted from solid acacia hardwood, it supports up to 264 pounds. Its robust design ensures long-lasting durability, perfect for both small and large planters. What we like. This plant caddy is crafted from sturdy acacia hardwood. It features 360-degree rotating wheels with locks for easy maneuverability. If you are looking for a stylish and functional plant caddy that enhances your garden's aesthetic, this is a great choice. What people say. Heavy-duty wheels that move smoothly. 2 wheels in each caddy can be easily locked to keep the caddy from moving. Very well built, quality wheels, as attractive as it looks in the picture. Number 1. Goovilla Plant Stand with Wheels. Introducing the Goovilla Plant Stand with Wheels. This stand is designed to make moving your plants easy. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The upgraded locking design ensures the steel pipes fit securely. This provides better stability for your plants. You can trust it to hold your valuable plants. This stand can hold up to 440 pounds. It's great for large, heavy planters and other household items. It's a reliable solution for your heavy items. The stand is adjustable from 15.7 to 22.4 inches. It fits different size planters and stays in place with 4 locking wheels. This flexibility makes it very convenient. Assembly is easy and tool-free, taking only minutes. It comes with included instructions and accessories. You'll have it set up in no time. It's weatherproof, rust-proof, and waterproof, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It's built to last and withstand the elements. What we like. This plant stand features an upgraded locking design for better stability. It can hold up to 440 pounds and has an adjustable height to fit different planters. If you're looking for a reliable and adaptable plant caddy for both indoor and outdoor use, this is the one for you. What people say. Love that it can be adjusted to accommodate multiple planter sizes. The dolly wheels function smoothly and lock easily with a bit of firm pressure. It is very sturdy and could definitely carry a lot more weight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.